Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Veloster. The Veloster's innovative body style and unique design make it unlike any other small car out there. Pair that with a fuel efficiency that pushes the 40 miles per gallon barrier, and you've got one sweet ride, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, panoramic sunroof, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.